Hindi naging maganda ang unang experience ni Alexa Ilacad bilang online seller. Benenta kasi ni Alexa ang kanyang camera sa Facebook Marketplace at dito niya nga na-meet ang scammer na nagpanggap na buyer. Binahagi ng collab team ni KD Estrada ang kanyang masamang experience sa X or dating Twitter at Instagram story. I was scammed today, sabi ni Alexa sa kanyang post. Kwento niya, I think this modus is directed towards sellers. As I was trying to sell my camera on Marketplace, this buyer who said he was from abroad wanted to buy it but since he's from another country, sending his payment would be quite different daw. Sa mga sumunod na bahagi ay kwento niya ang pagpadala niya ng pera sa scammer. Before I could get his payment, I had to scan a QR code, call Remitly and pay a transaction fee of 7,000 pesos. Sadly, it is being my first time to ever sell something, tapos taga-abroad pa yung buyer. I was clueless and didn't know better with broken heart emoji. I should be seen the red flags. He was able to take my money via GrabPay because at GCash official would not let me scan the QR code. I believe na since ng GCash na scam ito pero pinilit ko pa rin with crying emoji. Kwento pa rin ni Alexa. Sa huling bahagi ng kanyang post ay nagbigay siya ng warning or public service announcement or PSA na mag-ingat. So this is just a PSA to everyone dahil pagaling ng pagaling ang mga scammers. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Hindi nagtagal ang mga nasabing social media post dahil binura rin agad ni Alexa. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.